Claude does not use one model, it uses 4, and the one you pick decides both how good the answer is and how much of your allowance it eats. Open Claude and open any chat. Look just under the message box and you will see the model you are on. Mine says Sonnet 5. Tap it. That opens Select Model, and there they are: Fable 5, Opus 5, Sonnet 5, and Haiku 4.5. Read what each one says underneath, because that is the whole decision. Fable 5 is for your toughest challenges, and Opus 5 is for complex tasks, but both are marked Pro, so on the free plan they are not available to you. Sonnet 5 is most efficient for everyday tasks, and it is the one that is ticked. Haiku 4.5 is fastest for quick answers. Tap Haiku and watch the chip under the message box change straight away. That is the first way to stretch a free plan. If you are just asking quick questions, Haiku gets through them fastest and costs you the least. Save the heavier models for the work that actually needs them. I am switching back to Sonnet 5 now. Then open the sheet again and scroll down, because underneath the models there is a second control most people never see. It is called Effort. Tap Effort and you get 5 levels, each telling you exactly what it is for. Low is quick replies to simple questions. Medium is the default, for light, casual tasks. High is balanced for everyday work. Extra is complex, detailed work. And max is the hardest problems, and it takes longest. Lower effort means less work per answer, so if you are burning through your limit, drop it. I am setting low, then putting it back to medium. One more setting spells the trade-off out for you. Open the menu, tap your name for settings, tap Capabilities, and scroll down to Tool Access. Auto lets Claude choose. But look at the other two. On Demand says Load when needed, more messages, lower accuracy. Always Available says Ready from start, fewer messages, better accuracy. That is the app telling you how to get more messages. I am leaving mine on Auto. So, quick recap. To change the model, tap the model name under the message box and pick from Fable 5, Opus 5, Sonnet 5, or Haiku 4.5, and remember, the first two need Pro. To get more out of a free plan, do 3 things. Use Haiku for quick questions, drop effort down to low or medium, and set tool access to on demand. Every one of those trades a little accuracy for more messages. If this helped you out, a thumbs up and a subscribe really do help the channel. Thanks for watching.